Howdy guys. So I'm in a village, so my internet is bit slow, so I'm sitting outside to record a quick tutorial on Ultimate Blocks. So I use this uh, for table of content and for some other things like um, FAQ schema. Before I didn't have Rank Math Pro, which comes with that FAQ schema and many other schema, but otherwise this one is good and it has many other blocks other than that. So you know, right, you just install the plugin called Ultimate Blocks. So this is the logo, it will be of red color. Just check it is Ultimate Blocks. So once you install it, come here and you can switch on and off the blocks you need. So I have this divider, I don't know what is that, I don't remember. So I have this table of content and this tabbed content, this I use for um, FAQ schema, and which is really good because sometimes you have some features, not feature snippet, but your content in Google comes with 2 3 FAQs and it takes more space real estate in Google search. So it's good to have FAQs. You can see like many of my posts have that. If you check my website, like the latest one it doesn't have, but I plan to add it later. But the second week's tutorial has sorry, the second week's article has that. And also we have how to. So this is also gender schema and some other things, so I don't know, and there's these other things also, but I specifically need this one, this table of contents. So once I add this, let me add in my existing post, because the latest article I have not added. I don't even have featured image. I need to add that, but I have one and I got it too, so I just left. So here I want to add that table of content. So what I'll do, I'll go to here and you can search here for table of content, or you just browse it and go all the way to down, and you will find that blocks for Ultimate Blocks. So this red are of Ultimate Blocks, so I need this table of content. So I like this because it have several options which others don't have. For example, um, you can have it in 2 columns, right? You can have it in 2 columns, or you can have it in 3 columns if you want, or you can choose to have it like this or this, right? So these three options you have, and I prefer this one, and maybe this one, or you can maybe simple, this one is better I guess. And also you can now hide the things you don't want. So there are so many headings I don't want actually, sometimes it makes a lot. And also here you will find like which headers are allowed. So h1 you don't need, but h1 will be the main one and it will not capture anyway, but you don't need, but it doesn't matter because you will not have h1 anyway. And I don't use h4 and h5, so I can turn it off. So by chance if somewhere I have used, because I thought that is not that important, but still I have mentioned. So, but I don't want to make it bigger and complicated, so I'll turn those off. And there's some other settings also, so let's don't just get into those, you can explore. So main thing is you can hide, right? You can hide anything. So if you don't want any one of these, for example there are 10 these things, but I don't want them to display, so because it's making a lot. Or otherwise those are of all h3 I know, so I'll just hide the h3, all h3s here, so it makes it much simpler. Or otherwise you can just type it. So if some headings are I place the uh, so that I get the my secondary keywords, I made it much longer, the headlines. So I can have it smaller right here because I don't need. So I can make it smaller, so I can edit it here. and also you can change the color, the font, all those things. I hope um, so the this one is also there, so they can hide and show it. Enable conversion links to Latin alphabet, so I don't know what is that. You can explore. Remove the diacritics, I don't know. So these are the main things, right? I think it's good enough. And to change the okay, so to change the color and font, maybe there will be some other things, but previously I saw it in some other themes. And if you have like any CSS, you can add it here, so that also works for changing the color. Otherwise these all things, like you can hide, or you can choose like which headers to show, h1 h2, those things. And you can edit the headers, you can hide the headers. So that is basically it. I will have this one because I like it. Also, as I don't have many, so I can have it in a single column, so this works too. I'll update. Sorry guys, my internet is bit slow, so it takes some time. If I don't clear the cache, um, it won't show up, right? Because we have this caching plugin. If we don't clear the cache, it won't show. So here it is. You ideally you should write something here. I haven't written anything, so something like table of content or something like that. So that option is there too. You can have an option to show and hide it, right? So here you can have the title, so you can add something like this and update. So that is it, guys. Hope you enjoy.